Hey, this is Paul from Wondershare MobileTrans, and we all have WhatsApp, right? But have you ever wondered what happens to all of your data if you ever uninstalled or deleted WhatsApp? Well, if so, then luckily this video is for you, because I'll talk to you about the differences of uninstalling and deleting WhatsApp, and of course, we will walk you through what happens when you both uninstall and delete WhatsApp. Have you ever wondered what happens when you uninstall or delete WhatsApp? Because I know at some point every single one of us would have to have uninstalled WhatsApp, whether if that's to get rid of those annoying notifications and you've just had too much, or there's a problem with your WhatsApp so you've decided to uninstall it or delete it from your phone. Your contacts will actually still be able to see you on WhatsApp, and they will be able to send you video calls and group chats, but of course they won't get through. And if they won't get through, that is the same when someone tries to send you a normal message as well. That message will send, but of course you will never see it because you would have already uninstalled WhatsApp. But once you download WhatsApp again and you log back in, then all those calls and notifications that you'd been sent, you are then able to see. And this is because uninstalling WhatsApp is not deleting WhatsApp. They're two very different things. So let's go through and tell you the difference between both. When you go and uninstall WhatsApp on your Android or your iOS device, this just means that you are removing it from the phone. People can still send you video calls and normal calls and messages and pictures and all of the normal stuff, but because you don't have WhatsApp on your phone anymore, you of course will not get these notifications. And if you don't know how to uninstall WhatsApp, then let's tell you how to do that, because on iPhone it's really simple. All you need to do is hold down on the app, hit the X and hit delete, and then that app has gone forever until you download it again. But on Android it is a little different. So go and grab your phone and open your settings, and then when inside the settings, find the section that says apps, and this might be named differently depending on the Android device that you've got. You'll then scroll until you see WhatsApp and then just click on it. You'll see the uninstall option, select that, hit OK, and there we go. WhatsApp is then deleted from your phone. But let's talk about what happens when you decide to delete your WhatsApp account, because when you delete your WhatsApp account, that means all your data has gone. It is gone forever. This means that nobody on WhatsApp can send you notifications anymore, so they can't send you messages, you won't get any calls through, anything that is sent to that number on WhatsApp, it's not possible to do so because that account has now been deleted. Your entire profile goes blank like it never existed. So your profile photo, that disappears, and the contact, if they have you in their chat log, can still send you a message, they can still do that, but it will not deliver. So what will happen is, instead of getting those 2 ticks, it will only be 1 tick, and that of course is because your WhatsApp account no longer exists. And if you decided that you wanted to get WhatsApp back again, you would have to register for a brand new account with your phone number. But when you go to do that, it doesn't mean that you'll get any of those messages that have been sent to you, because that was sent to an old account and not the new account that you would have just registered. But if you want to know how to delete a WhatsApp account, then let's show you how to do it, and it's really quite simple. You'll need to pick up your phone and open up WhatsApp. Then within the app, go and find the settings and select the account settings that you'll see there. You then need to have a look towards the bottom where you will see delete account, and this is what you need to do to carry on. You might then be asked to enter your phone number just to confirm the account is to be deleted and that you're 100% sure that that's what you want to do. And once you've done that, there it is. That is your WhatsApp account deleted forever. And when you do delete your WhatsApp account, it also deletes all of your cloud storage. You might still be sat there thinking, well, what happens if I uninstall WhatsApp? What happens to all of my calls, my messages, my pictures, everything that I had? And luckily for you, the answer to that is fairly simple, and I can give you that answer. And the answer is, well, not much, because nothing really happens to any of your messages when you uninstall the app. Your friends can still send you messages, you just won't receive them because you can't get the notification from an app you don't have. And of course, WhatsApp has local and cloud-based backups, so you can just re-get all of your messages once you install the app again. And of course that takes time though, depending on how many messages you had. And remember, you might actually end up losing some of your media files when you try and get some of those cloud backups. It might be worth knowing as well that backups only get stored automatically on Android, and if you have an iPhone and you haven't backed up that data manually, then you might end up losing everything that you had. Even on an Android, you have to change the settings to make sure it backs up to daily backups, and you can do that by going into settings, selecting chat, and selecting chat backup, where you can select to do those daily backups. Everyone loves a group chat, don't they, on WhatsApp? And the reason why is because you can speak to more than one of your friends in a group at a time. And actually, there's hundreds of thousands of groups made on WhatsApp every single day. And I'm sure you're curious to what happens if you delete your WhatsApp account when you're in some of these groups. And the simple answer to this is that if you delete your WhatsApp account and you are in some group chats for work or family or friends, then you get removed from that group chat automatically when your account has been deleted. And if someone thinks you've left the chat and tries to add you back in, they won't be able to because your account no longer exists. When you uninstall the app though, rather than delete it, you still stay in that group chat. People still send messages, the whole group continues without you. It doesn't say you've left, it just means you don't get those notifications to your phone because once again, you don't have WhatsApp on your phone to get them. But if you have some really important group chats, if you're in a really important family group chat and you want to delete the app, it might be worth uninstalling rather than deleting, because you lose access to all of those messages once that has been deleted. And if you uninstall it and you're on an iPhone, remember to make sure you back up your WhatsApp chats manually, or you might just lose everything. The answer to this really depends on what you do. So if you just install the app, then WhatsApp realizes that you've just uninstalled it and not deleted it so that all your contacts can still see you. This just means that your WhatsApp account really stays exactly the same. People are still able to see your profile picture, send you messages, it's just that you don't really receive them because you don't have the app on your phone. And when you then go back to reinstall the app, your contacts will just see you back there. So they can see your profile picture, their messages will get delivered, so you'll now see two ticks, and of course if you have it on, they will see your last seen and your online status. If though, however, you decided to delete the account, then the answer is no. Your contacts won't be able to see you because you do not exist on WhatsApp. So they can't send you messages, you won't be able to send them messages, and then if you decided to install WhatsApp again after registering, you would have to add them as a contact and start an entire new thread. You might be wondering if there's a way to find out if someone has actually uninstalled WhatsApp, and unfortunately, WhatsApp doesn't have an official way to tell you, so WhatsApp won't send you a notification if one of your contacts decides they want to uninstall the app. And if you're looking for an official way, then you're not going to get one because WhatsApp, like I said, doesn't have one. But you can use your mind and just do a little bit of digging and see whether someone has uninstalled their account. If someone you know is really active on WhatsApp and after 24 to 48 hours, their messages then don't send, then that could be an indication that they don't have WhatsApp anymore, so they might have uninstalled or deleted it. You'll also notice that their profile picture now doesn't exist, so it is just not there anymore, so that's another indication that the account has actually been deleted. And of course, if you had this contact in a group chat and they've left and you're not able to re-add them, then that's another sure way to pretty much tell that someone has deleted their WhatsApp account. MobileTrans is a piece of software that you might have heard of before, because what it can do really quickly and really easily is help you back up your data, and it can take just minutes to do. You can also use this for saving WhatsApp chats and its media, and with MobileTrans it can be done to transfer data between devices. So let me show you how to use MobileTrans to transfer data to your computer. For step one, you'll need to download and install MobileTrans first, and you can do this from the official website, which is in the description below. Once installed, you'll need to open it up and select the WhatsApp message option. At this point, you will be asked to connect the device to the computer, and you can do this with a USB cable or the help of an OTG cable. And for step 4, once it is connected, all you need to do now is press start and MobileTrans will do the rest, and you just sit back, relax and wait. And if you're looking to uninstall WhatsApp, then the good news is that MobileTrans works with both iOS and Android devices to back up your data before getting rid of the app. Hopefully this video helped you understand the difference between uninstalling and deleting WhatsApp and what happens to all of your messages and group chats and all the stuff within WhatsApp. And then with MobileTrans, the software can give you a really good way to back up all of that data to your computer if you wanted to delete the app. And MobileTrans is one of the only ways you can save your chats and media locally to your computer, which makes it extra safe. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop it a like, and of course let us know in the comments if you need help with anything to do with WhatsApp or any suggestions for videos that you might have. And why not subscribe to the channel as well? And if you do all of that, we will see you in the next video.